Hey everyone, ever have the moment where you are trying to log into the NameCheap and your mind just goes blank on your username? It happens for most of us. Don't worry, it's usually pretty easy to find. Let's walk through a couple of quick ways to recover it. First things first, let's head over to NameCheap.com. Now you can see an option for sign in on your screen, which is over here. My username and password is already saved to the Ace password manager, so it directly shows the username and password to me. So this is the one of the best way that you can use if you have the habit of forgetting the username and password. So you can simply log in. Let me log in for now. Let's dive into our main topic, that is how to find username on your NameCheap. Let me simply log out. Okay, we are in the login page. Here you can see a login option. If I tap on it, as I said earlier, I have saved the information on my password manager. Let's cross it for now. So what you can do if you forgot a password is simply tap on forgot username or password. It will show you this type of interface. Earlier we tap on forget username or password. So here's an option for reset your password. If you know the username, you can keep it over here and they will send you an email and you will be able to reset your password. However, in our case, we know the password but we don't know the username. I know my email address, and type your email address over here. Then tap on reset password. Password reset confirmation mail was sent to your email. Then go to your email. Now you can see this type of email. Tap on it. NameCheap.com support, and over here you can see a link to reset the password. So this is the important part, to know your username. Often in the password reset email, they actually mention your username, which is over here, and that's how you can find your username on NameCheap.com. And that's it. Most of the time, checking your emails or using the forget password or forget the username option will reveal your username. Hopefully that help you get back on the track. Let me know in the comment section if you have any other NameCheap question, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.